Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, hope you are fine and safe with your family. In our previous class, we discussed about Shoykot and his parents. In our today's lesson, we found a table about Shoykot and his parents' activity. Let's discuss about the table. Please open your EFT book. Lesson page number 11. Page number 11. Shoykot's family lessons 3-4. You see a table here. You see a table. To use this table, we make some questions. You see Shoykot, mother, father. There you use time 6 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. 6 p.m. Shoykot study, mother cook, father reads. Shoykot watches TV, 8 p.m. Mother sews, father watches TV. Now we make questions to use this table, like what does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? What does Shoykot do at 6 o'clock? You see, Shoykot studies at 6 o'clock. Shoykot studies at 6 o'clock. Who sews at 8 o'clock? You see, mother. Mother sews at 8 o'clock. When does Shoykot's father read? Shoykot's father reads at 6 o'clock or 6 p.m. You see, we use WS form, that means what, who, when. We use these to make the questions. And you also see we use here does, shows, does, that means present indefinite tense. Like this, we use present continuous tense. To use the table, we make questions. It's the form present continuous tense. The first one, what are Shoykot and his father doing? What are Shoykot and his father doing? Number 2, doing at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Who is washing dishes at 10 o'clock? Like number 3, what are the family doing at 9 p.m. or 9 o'clock? Okay. You see, we use continuous form are, doing, is, washing, are doing. We use continuous form here. We also answer these questions in a continuous form. What are Shoykot and his father doing at 8 o'clock? We see at 8 o'clock Shoykot and his father watches TV. Shoykot and his father are watching TV at 8 o'clock. Number 2, who is washing dishes at 10 o'clock? Who is washing dishes? Washing dishes 10 o'clock. Shoykot's mother. Shoykot's mother or mother is washing dishes at 10 o'clock. Number 3, what are the family doing at 9 o'clock? What are the family doing at 9 o'clock? 9 o'clock. The family members are eating dinners. The family members are eating dinners at 9 o'clock. Okay. We also use first continuous form. Please write down this. We also use first continuous form. In your EFT book, you see Unit 3, page number 12, Activity H. What was Shoykot doing? What was Shoykot doing at 10 p.m. yesterday? Who was reading at 6 p.m. yesterday? What are Shoykot and his father doing at 8 p.m. or 8 o'clock? Okay. You see, we use first continuous form was ing. That is verb plus ing. Was verb plus ing. The main verb read and we plus ing. Was reading. Or doing. You see, we use past continuous form here. So, what was Shoykot doing at 10 p.m. yesterday or 10 o'clock yesterday? What was Shoykot doing? 10 p.m. Shoykot was helping his mom at 10 p.m. yesterday. Shoykot was helping his mom at 10 p.m. yesterday. Number 2, who was reading at 6 p.m. yesterday? Read. Shoykot's father was reading at 6 p.m. yesterday. Number 3, what were Shoykot and his father doing at 8 p.m.? 8 p.m. Shoykot and his father are watching TV. Are watching. We use present continuous tense. Are watching TV at 8 p.m. yesterday. Like this, you use You also make many questions to use the table. Now, sorry. Sometimes we use while in present continuous tense. Sometimes we will use at first I give an example. Example for using while. Yesterday at 10 o'clock yesterday at 10 o'clock I was going to school while my friends were playing. Here you see, I was going to school. My friends were playing. These are present continuous form. These are also present continuous form. To join two sentences, we use while. So, sometimes we use while to join the first continuous tense. Now look at the activity K. Look at the table, that means this table. Complete the sentences. Activity K, we see 4 sentences here. The one is done for you. Mother was watching TV while Shoykot. Mother was watching TV. Actually, it's 11 p.m. Mother was watching TV when Shoykot was go to bed. And further right. So the first sentence, mother was watching TV while Shoykot was going to bed. The second option, Shoykot and his father dash while mother was chewing. While mother was chewing, Shoykot and his father were watching TV. Shoykot and his father were watching TV while Shoykot's mother was chewing. Number 3, father dash while mother was watching TV. Mother was watching TV. Mother was watching TV. Father dash. Father write. So the sentence, father was writing while mother was watching TV. Father was writing while mother was watching TV. Number 4, father was reading while Shoykot dash. Father was reading. Father was reading while Shoykot studying. So the sentence may be, father was reading while Shoykot was studying. Father was reading while Shoykot was studying. Dear learners, You must practice these lessons. Today we use some grammatical points. Present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, first continuous tense, and using while in the first continuous tense. If you practice these grammatical points, I hope you will improve your English. Today we finish our class here. See you in your next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.